You've worked hard to save for a deposit and to make sure that your annual income is sufficient to satisfy a lender to help you buy a property. Now you're suddenly faced with dealing with a load of professionals you've never talked to before in your life. The solicitor wants to know your date of birth, your current address and your inside leg measurement. The lender wants to know why you spent that £6.50 on a pint of beer last Wednesday, and quite frankly, you don't trust the estate agent. And then you remember, oh, I should probably figure out whether what I'm buying is what I think I'm buying. So, as a first-time buyer, what do you really expect from a building survey? I'm Tim Clarke, Managing Director at Harris & Clarke Chartered Surveyors, and in this video I'll be giving you a brief synopsis of what to expect from your building survey. Firstly, it's tempting to skip the building survey altogether, as quite frankly, buying a property is a very expensive process, not only now, but across the rest of your working life. Skipping the survey can be a false economy, however, as we quite regularly find major issues with properties that can be unseen during the estate agent's visit. A few years ago, we looked at the results of all of our building surveys and we found that on average, whether that's mean, median or modal, properties required around £17,500 worth of remedial work. And so it's not the case that if you're buying a freshly decorated property with a new kitchen, that you'll be able to escape future remedial work. This just isn't the case. When you call Harris & Clarke, you'll be able to talk to one of our friendly team who will answer any questions regarding the survey process, but in a nutshell, we like to consider ourselves as the easy part of the house buying process. All we need from you is the address of the property and your email address, and we'll be able to provide you with a fee proposal. Once you're happy that you want Harris & Clarke to survey your property, all you need to do is email us back answering a couple of simple questions and we will do the rest. We'll arrange with the estate agent for our qualified and experienced surveyor to inspect the property and we'll let you know when we'll be inspecting it. Our surveyor will attend site and look at every nook and cranny of the property, including within the roof space, all of the habitable areas and externally. From this inspection, we'll be able to put together a report which details what the building is made of, what condition it's in, and whether any remedial measures are required. Depending on which level report you've instructed, you may also receive a schedule of remedial costs for addressing any issues that the surveyor has found. Typically, our surveyors can inspect within 5 working days of instruction, but sometimes during busy periods this can be slightly more. Thereafter, while we aim to get your report back to you within 3 working days, sometimes this can take up to 7 working days, but in all instances we will endeavour to return your report to you as soon as possible. Once you've had an opportunity to read your building survey, we really do recommend that you arrange to speak with your surveyor to address any additional questions you might have. During this conversation, you might want to discuss with your surveyor whether it would be appropriate to, for example, renegotiate the asking price, or in extreme instances, pull out of the purchase altogether. It's really rare that your surveyor will tell you not to buy the property, as every client's risk profile is different. Over the course of my career, I've only had a handful of instances where the building was so bad that only a purchaser with a large risk appetite would consider buying it. All in all, your building surveyor is there to support you in buying what could be your dream home, with a realistic and pragmatic approach. Some surveyors naturally will approach surveying with doom and gloom, whereas at Harris & Clarke, we understand that we are there to assist you and not to hold you back. One key thing is to understand that not all surveyors operate in the same way. While most surveyors will offer a level 2 and level 3 report, many surveyors will use stacks of standard phrases or get-out clauses, whereas we dictate all of our reports and don't rely on a bank of standard phrases. This gives us the freedom to tell you what you need to know in a way that we think you want it delivered. So if you're buying a property for the first time, we're the perfect partner in ensuring that what you are buying is really what you think you are buying. Our friendly team at Harris & Clarke will be pleased to assist you in buying your first property and can be contacted through our website at harrisandclarke.co.uk. We look forward to speaking to you soon.